Hello, in this video, we are going to showcase how one can configure filter patterns at the time of scanning a source system for metadata. What this basically means is that we want to scan only specific databases, schemas, tables, or topics rather than the entire source system. So let's take the example of a BigQuery source and see how one can do this. Here we have the configuration YAML to scan the entire BigQuery source, which is addressed by this particular depot. In order to scan only the specific databases, schemas, or tables, we can simply add new fields to the same YAML. The field in which you declare these properties is source config. Source config is a collection of several objects which allow you to further enrich the metadata you have scanned. For example, you can ingest metadata for the views rather than tables by declaring include views value as true. Likewise, you can flag deleted tables on the Metis UI using the mark deleted tables field, enable debug logs, and ingest sample data, among other things. The documentation has detailed information on how you can customize each of these fields. For now, let us see how you can filter schemas or tables or a database. We have the ability to either filter databases or schemas or tables or all three at the same time. Within database filter pattern, you have the option to either include or exclude certain databases. Each of these include and exclude is a list of database. How it works is, let's say I want to include a database by the name XYZ. So what it will do is at the time of scanning, it will ignore all the other databases which are present in this source system and only syndicate metadata from this one particular database. Likewise, one can choose to exclude a database, say by the name ABC. So this means all the databases will be scanned except for this one particular database. Hence, it is not possible to simultaneously use both include and exclude fields. They have an OR relationship between them. The filtering of schemas and tables works in exactly the same manner. An important thing to note here is that the values declared under these databases, schema, and table filter patterns are converted to a regular expressions pattern. And as a best practice, one should always write the names as per the right regex. So instead of writing ABC, you should write the name in this particular format. Now, what this will do is it will exclude the database by the name ABC. This means there might be multiple databases which are being scanned. So within all of those databases, let's say you only want to include those schemas which have the term demo in it. So what you will do is simply use the right regex and declare it over here. There might be several schemas which follow this regex, so all of them will be scanned. Within all these schemas, say we want to exclude any table that starts by the name customer. Then I will simply declare that in the right regex, and it will exclude any table which has the name starting with customer. This is how simple it is to scan the metadata from your source system. You can also filter out topics if the scanning process is from a messaging service like Pulsar or Kafka. Please check out the documentation for more details. Thank you.